Do you ever struggle to fall asleep or wake up feeling exhausted? You're not alone. Poor sleep can take a toll on our physical and mental health, increasing the risk of conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and depression. Yet, so many of us struggle to fall asleep, stay asleep, or feel truly rested. In today's fast-paced world, sleepless nights have become the norm for far too many. But the good news is there are simple, natural ways to improve your sleep quality without relying on medication. In this video, we'll explore why quality sleep is essential for your health, what quality sleep means, and, most importantly, how to achieve it naturally. Welcome to the Tent Wellness Center, your trusted guide to natural health and alternative medicine. Here, we discuss powerful wellness tips, herbal remedies, and holistic healing practices to help you live a balanced and healthy life. If you're looking to improve your well-being naturally, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And remember, for personalized consultations, visit us at tentwellness.com. Let's start with a basic question. What exactly is sleep, and why is it so crucial for our health? Many people think of sleep as a time when the body simply shuts down, but that's not exactly true. When you sleep, your brain and body are actively performing vital processes you can't live without. Think of sleep as your body's reset mode. It's a state where your energy is restored, damaged tissues are repaired, your immune system is strengthened, and your brain processes emotions and memories from the day. Sleep also regulates hormones that control hunger and stress, supports heart health by stabilizing blood pressure, and keeps your brain sharp by improving focus and decision-making. Simply put, without enough quality sleep, your body struggles to perform these essential functions, leaving you vulnerable to a range of chronic medical conditions. So, the better your sleep quality, the more resilient and balanced your body and mind will be, helping you live a healthier, more productive life. But what exactly is quality sleep, and how can you achieve it? Quality sleep isn't just about how many hours you spend in bed. It's about how refreshing and uninterrupted those hours are. To truly benefit from sleep, it should meet 3 key criteria. 1. Adequate duration. This means sleeping long enough for your body to complete all the necessary stages of sleep, from light to deep and restorative rest. The exact number of hours varies by age, health, and lifestyle. However, the National Sleep Foundation recommends 14 to 17 hours for newborns, 8 to 10 hours for teenagers, 7 to 9 hours for adults, and 7 to 8 hours for seniors above 65 years. 2. Continuity. This means you should enjoy uninterrupted sleep for several hours. Waking up frequently disrupts your sleep cycles and prevents you from achieving deep, restorative rest. 3. Depth. This means you should enjoy deep, restorative sleep that leaves you feeling energized and mentally sharp the next day. Remember, tossing and turning for 8 hours on the bed is not the same as enjoying restful, uninterrupted sleep. That's why improving sleep quality is just as important as increasing sleep duration. Research has even shown that people who consistently get less than 6 hours of sleep a night are more likely to develop chronic conditions. But the good news is that you can still mitigate these risks by adopting natural strategies to improve sleep quality. So let's highlight the strategies to improve sleep quality naturally. These tips are segmented into 5 key areas to make them easier to follow and experiment with. Remember, improving sleep is a personal journey. What works for one person may not work for another. So, try incorporating just one new strategy this week to see how it works for you. The first strategy is building healthy sleep habits. Developing consistent sleep habits is the cornerstone of better sleep. Here's how you can start. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Maintaining regular sleep and wake time helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. For instance, if you aim for 7 hours of sleep daily, set a bedtime of 10 p.m. and stick to it consistently, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engaging in calming activities before bed can signal your body that it's time to sleep. Consider taking a warm bath to relax your muscles, or practicing mindfulness exercises or gentle stretches. Manage light exposure. Light plays a significant role in regulating melatonin, the hormone that promotes sleep. During the day, spend at least 30 minutes in natural light each morning to anchor your circadian rhythm. At night, dim the lights and reduce screen time an hour before bed. And if you have to use the devices, enable the night mode. 2. Diet and supplements. What you consume during the day can greatly impact your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. To enhance your sleep quality with foods, consider foods that support better sleep, such as bananas. The high magnesium and potassium content helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Fatty fishes, like tilapia and Titus, which contain omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which enhances sleep quality. Chamomile tea, which contains apigenin, an antioxidant that promotes relaxation and reduces insomnia. Limit stimulants and heavy meals. Avoid alcohol, caffeine, nicotine, and other stimulants in the hours leading up to bedtime. Also, steer clear of heavy or spicy meals late in the evening, as they can cause discomfort and disrupt sleep. Consider supplements. Some natural supplements can complement dietary changes to enhance sleep quality. Such supplements include melatonin, magnesium, and valerian root. You could also consider herbal mixtures, like 1. Combining vinegar and honey in a 1:2 ratio. Take 2 tablespoons before your evening meal. 2. Using the Peperomia pellucida plant, known among the Yoruba as
Ewérinrin.
Extract the juice and drink 50 milliliters before bedtime. Ensure you consult your natural healthcare provider before using any supplement or herbs. 3. Stress reduction. Stress and anxiety are common disruptors of sleep. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine can help ease tension and prepare your body for deep rest. These techniques include breathing exercises. Controlled breathing calms the nervous system and promotes relaxation. Try the 4-7-8 technique. The steps are: inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 7 counts. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 counts. Repeat this cycle 4 times to feel calm and relaxed. Gentle stretches for relaxation. Simple poses like the child's pose help release muscle tension and encourage blood flow. Combining stretching with deep breathing can also amplify its effects. 4. Optimizing your sleep environment. Your bedroom setup is key to achieving quality sleep. To create the perfect environment, declutter your room. A tidy, calming space signals your brain that it's time to relax. Keep it cool by maintaining a temperature between 15 degrees Celsius to 19 degrees Celsius for deeper sleep. Reduce noise by using earplugs to block disturbances. Eliminate light by blacking out curtains and using sleep masks. Upgrade your bedding by investing in supportive mattresses, pillows, and breathable sheets for comfort. 5. Incorporating natural therapies. If you're struggling with sleep disorders or simply want deeper, more restorative rest, natural therapies can make a big difference. Here are a few worth considering. Aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and cedarwood are known for their calming effects. Use a diffuser or apply diluted oils to your pillow for a soothing aroma that promotes relaxation. Massage therapy. A gentle massage before bedtime can relieve muscle tension and prepare the body for relaxation. Acupuncture. This traditional Chinese therapy helps regulate energy flow and reduce stress. Studies show that acupuncture can increase melatonin production, which regulates sleep, making it a great option for those with insomnia or irregular sleep patterns. Cupping therapy. Cupping promotes relaxation by improving blood flow and releasing physical tension, making it particularly effective for people experiencing sleep disorders caused by chronic pain or stress. To learn more about how acupuncture and cupping therapy can benefit your health, check out our previous videos in the description below. There you have it. In conclusion, improving your sleep quality naturally isn't about adopting every strategy at once. It's about finding what works best for you. Try experimenting with one change at a time, whether it's introducing a new food, practicing a breathing technique, or adjusting your sleep environment, and see how it transforms your health. Over time, by adopting these natural strategies, you can transform your sleep and overall well-being. So, do you struggle with sleep? We'd love to hear what works for you. Share your tips with us in the comments section. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe. We're here to guide you on your journey to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle, so be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified when we release a new video. Check out our other videos on our channel to continue your journey towards better health.